Did you know you can create a full virtual USB or hard drive in Windows 11 without any hardware? Here's how to do it in seconds. Hi everyone and welcome to the CNATT channel. To create a virtual USB or hard drive, right-click the Start button or press Windows logo key X on your keyboard, then select Disk Management. Be sure to click on an empty space in the Disk Management window first. In Disk Management, click Action in the top menu, then select Create VHD. In the Create and Attach Virtual Hard Disk dialog, you'll configure 4 key settings based on your needs: the save location, the virtual hard disk size, the disk format VHD or VHDX, and the disk type fixed size or dynamically expanding. First, click Browse, choose where to save the file, give it a name such as a virtual USB, and click Save. Next, set the size. 8 to 64 GB is typical for a virtual USB drive. For the format, select VHDX for better reliability on modern PCs. For the type, choose fixed size for best performance or dynamically expanding to save physical storage. Click OK. The VHD file will be created. Depending on your settings, this may take some time. Scroll down in the list disk until you see your new disk listed as not initialized. Right-click the disk label, select Initialize disk, choose MBR for compatibility or GPT for modern systems and click OK. Right-click the unallocated area and select New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard and specify the volume size. Click Next, choose a drive letter and click Next again. Select your preferred file system. NTFS or exFAT is recommended. Set a simple volume label such as virtual drive or virtual USB. Keep quick format enabled and click Next. Click Finish to create the volume. Your virtual drive will now appear in the File Explorer just like a physical USB drive. You can now use this virtual drive in compatible tools such as Rufus for testing, mounting, or preparing disk operations just like a physical USB drive. To detach the virtual drive, open Disk Management, right-click the virtual disk and select Detach VHD. Click OK to confirm. To reattach the virtual drive, open Disk Management, click Action in the top menu and select Attach VHD. Browse to your VHD or VHDX file and select it. Click OK to mount the drive again. That's the quick way to create a virtual USB or hard drive in Windows 11. Watch the full tutorial for a complete step-by-step explanation of every detail. Click or tap the video on the screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.